There is a lot happening today. The guys have started work in the bathroom, and I'm excited to see how my bold paint color is turning out on the old kitchen cabinets. I hear paint. Or white tile next to that paint color is gonna look so dang good. This is where I get sprayed in the face. The beauty of spray painting is that it's not just a smooth finish, but it's also super fast, which means it's only been a matter of hours and the cabinets are dry and ready for the countertops.
First impression?
Ooh, I love it.
So obviously the cooktop hole is not cut into it. We'll address that.
Perfect.
Remember the ledge you wanted to take out, but we couldn't?
Very unfortunate.
Slab piece going here.
Yes.
To cap this.
This happens in almost every home we touch.
Well,
There's something that we planned on and it doesn't happen, and you have to figure out a way around it. I think it's gonna look great.
We have to stay on our toes.
We are starting into our final week now. And with the new countertop being cut to the old bathroom vanity, I really need to settle on a Southwestern style idea for these bathroom mirrors. I'm gonna spray paint my mirrors, but they're gonna look hand dipped. But they're not, they're spray painted. Hopefully it'll look amazing. It looks really great in my head, but you know how that goes. All right, so I took my mirrors. I have taped down where I want the wood to remain. We covered it. We also covered the glass so it doesn't get any paint on it. So this top here that's covered will remain the wood grain. The bottom will be now our newly hand-dipped black paint. And I just really want that contrast. I think it's gonna look really cool. Spray paint. Such an easy way to transform things. I've done it with playroom table legs, I've done it with mirrors, I've even done it with vases to fill bookshelves. Just make sure that the object is wiped down clean and dry. You gotta make sure that tape is super secure. Spray paint it, let it dry, slowly peel the tape off. Pro tip, slowly. And it can totally transform a thing that you didn't like anymore into something brand new that you could appreciate. I think it's gonna be really good in the bathroom up against the white walls. It's gonna give me some dramatics in that space. Not that it needs it, but we want more. But lighter coats, multiple coats, it's always the way to go. Looks good. Success. The Jobs will be home in just 5 days, and we still have a lot of work to get through. The guys are really making progress on this stunning marble backsplash. And over the last few days, Miguel has been hard at work building some custom-made shelves for Aubrey's art space.
I'm just getting measurements about to put these shelves up.
Love it. Okay, so
5 foot from the ground, 6 foot, and then 8.
I think it needs to be bigger for her art.
Yeah.
So maybe what we need to do is bring that first shelf down closer to the bottom cabinet to where she can still put storage and stuff. Like bring her on down. Bring her on down. Stop. Don't get crazy.
Too late for that.
So over here we have Brent's epic desk coming today, being painted black. And then we'll have his pop of natural wood shelving over here. Okay, I think that's great. So wrap it up. Thank you. Over the past couple of days, the crew have been hard at it in the bathroom and the kitchen. And everything is looking so good. We have floors!
Of course we do.
Wow, these are so cool.
They look better than you remembered?
No, they look just like I remember.
Just as you remember.
Looks like concrete.
Yeah,
Isn't
I love it.
That was kind of my goal. Since we already have this crazy, funky blue kitchen, the last thing I want to do is put like a crazy tile on the floor to compete with that. So I picked these awesome, huge rectangular tiles that kind of look like concrete, kind of like Southwestern style meets industrial warehouse vibes. I don't know, I'm digging it. Put it all in the kitchen, and then I also want that to go into the bathroom. They'll be really cohesive, really nice throughout the house. Oh, I love it. Look at this gorgeous taupey, and then we've got all the busyness of here. These are like really dark floors. And my mirrors are like a focal point, so I don't want them crowded. I want them room to breathe. Don't be squishing them. They've got a life to live.
Hey.
I wanna go check
I only
them.
did that once.
One time was all it took. Never again. All right, I'm gonna go grab my mirrors.
Okay.
Oh, this turned out perfectly how I envisioned. So this just kind of looks like someone dipped the bottom half in paint. That was the goal. It's really nice. I think it'll be perfect in Aubrey's bathroom. Hopefully it'll make her want to use the bathroom again, right? That's the goal. Make her use the bathroom. All because of the mirrors. It's been a really busy 3 weeks. And with Aubrey and Brent coming back from Colorado tomorrow, we are into finishing touches. And I've got one more Southwestern feature I want to add into this bathroom. I wanted to do the live wall because the first thing I think of when I see those like throw blankets, that was her inspiration, I think of nature and I think of raw wood, I think of plants. I want it to be really imperfect. Like real plants in nature aren't perfectly symmetrical, and I kind of want it to look like it's cascading down the wall with really no form. I even like the little details of these little wall fixtures that I got online. They have the black modern vibes that I'm trying to hone into this southwestern flair. You've got to look at weight distribution and then kind of disperse the plants out as I go. So I knew succulents were gonna be my plant of choice with this whole live wall. If you overwater them, they will die. So it's kind of like your new best friend as far as like really low maintenance when it comes to living plants inside your home. Okay, all in all, this took about 15, 20 minutes for me. And I stink at potting plants, so that's saying something. It's really quick, really easy. Hello! Today's the day! How have y'all been?
Good.
Are you so excited?
Yes, it's like so curious.
And your earrings like fit in with the vibes.
Oh.
I'm digging it! I'm digging it. Okay, well, you won't recognize home, hopefully. That's
Oh
the
my
goal.
gosh.
Go, take it away.
All right,
Go up the walk.
on up here.
Lead me in. I'm excited to see it again too, even though I did it, you know?
Okay. Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's amazing.
I was not expecting. Oh my
Love the
gosh.
doors.
This looks so nice.
It's just the office.
Great.
Oh my gosh.
It's unbelievable.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
Do we see the division of separation of the
Yes.
spaces?
Yes.
But it looks so good together.
The doors.
To actually close the door and work,
Yeah.
that's gonna be amazing.
Yes.
This looks so good. Hey,
Yeah.
was this part of our old?
Yes, it was.
Really? Yeah, I was about to ask, is that like how that's got this top part against?
Yeah, you had a great base. I called them the turquoise towers.
Yeah.
So I just took those and I kind of customized stuff around it. I just think this space looks so great together and it vibes with the bold and the natural wood, but it serves two different varied purposes, and that is just so cool in itself.
Oh my
amazing.
gosh, it looks so good.
Yeah.
We have more.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Wow. This is amazing.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It doesn't even look like our house. It looks better. It looks like a home.
Yes, it's beautiful.
They look amazing.
Right.
You guys said turquoise, and so I ran with it. But instead of like a neon turquoise, I went with a more toned down, like blue-green.
I
Yeah.
love this color.
I think it looks
wouldn't-
amazing.
This is my style.
It was perfect
fits.
for you guys.
It is. It's
Oh, yeah.
us. It's
Yeah.
total us.
It was
Exactly.
you.